Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Now class 5 we have the lesson number 3 in the step by step. इस लेसन में हम नाउन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. इस नाउन में उन्होंने बताया हुआ है कि कुछ वर्ब्स होते हैं जो नाउन में चेंज हो जाते हैं. जिस तरह कुछ वर्ब है हमारे पास टू ड्रॉ एंड टू एम्प्लॉय. अब हम इसको नाउन में कैसे कहेंगे? ड्राइंग, एम्प्लॉयर, इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट. द बॉक्स शोज verbs can be changed into noun. अब ये noun में change हो गए हैं verbs. Sometimes the world undergoes slight change, the world converting. थोड़े से वो word change हो जाते हैं. For example, to thief would become theft or a thief. ठीक है, चुराने के लिए या तो वो theft हो जाता है या वो चोरी करता है. Okay, let us understand. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे है love, laughter, run, runner, walk, walker, jog, jogger, explain, explanation, drive and driver, hate and hatred, loss, losser, associate, sailor, enter and the entrance. Now we have the page number 14. Practice A. Copy the following sentence in the notebooks. Complete them by fit the with the noun forms of the verb given in the brackets. अब आपको brackets में जो है verbs मिले हुए हैं, आपने उनको noun में change करना है. The first one, jog, so a big enters once a rocks were removed. To enter से हमने enters कर दिया. Number 2, he sustained an injury while the jumping from the diving board. To injure, अब यहाँ से हमने इसको injury कर दिया. Number 3, everyone was happy with the dash given by the court to judge. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा judgment. Number 4, the patient got back his dash after the surgery. To see, seen. Now we have the exercise B. Read the following nouns from which the verbs form they are made. अब आपको यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स मिले हुए हैं, वर्ब्स मिले हुए हैं, आपने नाउन बनाने हैं. नंबर 1, डिपार्चर, डिपार्ट. नंबर 2, इलस्ट्रेशन, इलस्ट्रा. नंबर 3, करेक्शन, करेक्ट. नंबर 4, गैदरिंग एंड द गैदर. नंबर 5, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऑर्गेनाइज. नंबर 6, जर्मिनेशन, जर्मिनेट. Number 7, remembrance, remember. Number 8, improvement and improve. Number 9, approval, approve. Number 10, knowledge, knowledge. Now after lesson number 3 we have the lesson number 4, sentences. Sentences में हम इधर ये पढ़ेंगे कि इसमें subject और predicate है. ठीक है, read the sentences given below. The Mary bought a doll. The room was littered with the people all over the and number the farmer is tilling the soil and yellow butterfly is sitting on the red rose. Every sentence has two parts, a subject and predicate. A subject is word or whom the sentence is about. Subject वो होता है कौन है, वो क्या कर रहा है. A predicate tell us something about the subject. और predicate जो होता है वो subject के बारे में बता रहा था कि वो कर क्या रहा है. The word in a red are all the subjects. जितने जो words red में हैं वो सारे subjects हैं. And the underlined word are all doing words. ठीक है, ये सारे doing words हैं और जो words blue में हैं वो predicates हैं. Now let us understand. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. The children enjoy the magic show. Enjoy the magic show is the predicate and the circle is children, subject. The cat. Cat is the subject and muse verb. Anita and the James are the subjects. I love dancing is the predicate. Now we have the page number 17 and the point on the number 4. I finished my homework and before going to play. I matlab subject and the last is the predicate. Number 5, Joseph will bring chocolate for all us tomorrow. Number 5 is Joseph is the subject and predicate will bring for all of us tomorrow. Now we have the exercise A. Positions, the subject change when we ask questions. Sometimes the position subject can change its statement too. Study the following example. Why is the John's not coming down for dinner? John जो है वो subject है, इसमें आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं और not coming for dinner is the predicate. Number 2, are you feeling unwell? Are you feeling unwell? Are you? You is the subject and the feeling unwell is the predicate. Number 3, where are Anne and the Steve gone? Anne and the Steve is the subject and the gone is the predicate. Yesterday the school was closed. इसमें कोई subject नहीं है, स्कूल को किया जा सकता है लेकिन the school was closed is the predicate. There were the stray kittens sitting under the table. Stray मतलब आवारा जो बच्चे थे, kittens थे वो टेबल के नीचे थे. The stray kittens is the subject and other under the table is the predicate. Now we have practice B. Complete the following by the writing the predicate. Number 1, Joseph and Anne are playing. ठीक है, Joseph और जो Anne है वो खेल रहे हैं. आर पर हमने predicates लिखने हैं. उन्होंने हमें subjects दिए हुए हैं और हमने subject predicate करना है. America is developed country. Number 3, they are coming. वो आ रहे हैं. Number 4, I go to school. My school is very big. Now we practice C. The following sentences many subjects. Copy the sentence in your notebook and underline the subject. Number 1, Uncle Sam, Rogers and the dog and the Tinky and the cat live all together like friends in the little log hut. ठीक है। जो अंकल सैम, रोगर, डॉग, टिंकी है, ये कैट, ये सब्जेक्ट्स है। नंबर 2, फैंसी एंड हर अंकल वेंट फॉर द स्ट्रोल आफ्टर डिनर। ठीक है, अंकल एंड फैंसी इज द सब्जेक्ट। Tim and the Milan ordered a pizza for themselves. Milan and Tim is the subject. Tom and his friend went to the store, bought some bread fruit. Tom and his friend is the subject. Number 5, Anne and the Wendy and the Maria is the subject. No, thank you.